Welcome to Vacation Limitless, where the possibilities are endless. Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey to the captivating land of Malaysia? Known for its diverse culture, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Malaysia is a traveler's paradise waiting to be explored. From bustling cities to serene islands, this destination offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that cater to all kinds of wanderlust. Let's set forth on this remarkable expedition together. 1. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur, the teeming capital city of Malaysia, is a busy metropolis that blends modernity with tradition in a way that is nearly indistinguishable from one another. The bustling metropolis of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which is the site of the iconic Petronas Twin Towers, is a genuine feast for the senses. Spend some time getting disoriented in its lively culture, window shopping in its bustling marketplaces, and indulging in its scrumptious street food while you're there. The combination of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures produces an atmosphere that is really one of a kind, and can only be fully appreciated via personal exposure. The famous Hindu temple complex known as Batu Caves is an attraction that should not be skipped, and neither should the vibrant nightlife that can be found throughout the city. 2. Malacca. Malacca is a city in Malaysia that is rich in history and offers a varied cultural and architectural environment. Malacca is also known as the Sultanate of Malacca. It is possible to see remnants of the city's colonial past in the buildings that have been maintained and the picturesque streets. And in its heyday, the city was a vibrant commercial center. Jonker Street is lined with antique shops, and you can enjoy some of the best Peranakan cuisine while you're there. Visitors are given the opportunity to get insight into Malacca's illustrious past at both the A Famosa Fortress and St. Paul's Hill. Take a cruise along the river to gain a more in-depth grasp of the history of the city. 3. Penang. Penang is a cultural crossroads that is well known for its high-quality cuisine as well as its burgeoning street art scene. It is a common nickname for the city that refers to it as the Pearl of the Orient, and this term is used on occasion. The city of Georgetown, which is located in Malaysia and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a genuine treasure trove of colonial architecture as well as colorful murals. Take a trip to the Kek Lok Si Temple, which is the most extensive Buddhist temple complex in Southeast Asia. And while you're there, enjoy some of the delicious street cuisine that's available there. The entire island is encompassed by the breathtaking views that may be obtained by climbing to the top of Penang Hill. 4. Mount Kinabalu. Mount Kinabalu is the highest peak in Southeast Asia, and because of this, it beckons intrepid climbers from all over the region to make the ascent to the peak. The Kadazan Dusun people who live in the vicinity of this mountain in Sabah, which is included on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, hold this peak in very high respect. Prepare yourself for a challenging climb that will take you through a number of different ecosystems and culminate with a beautiful view of the sunrise from the summit of the mountain. Acclimatizing to the new environment and securing the necessary permissions in advance are two of the most crucial things you can do to ensure that your vacation is both enjoyable and risk-free. 5. Prehension Islands. Get away from it all and head to the lovely Prehension Islands, where you'll find beaches covered in pristine white sand, turquoise oceans, and a teeming marine life. These islands are the perfect place to get away from it all. These islands are fantastic destinations for engaging in activities like scuba diving, swimming with fish, or simply unwinding on the beach. Immersing yourself in the tranquil atmosphere that the island has to offer will give you the feeling of being cut off from the rest of the world, which you may enjoy while you are there. 6. Taman Negara National Park. Venture deep into the heart of one of the world's oldest and most pristine tropical rainforests that sprawl across Taman Negara National Park. The park spans across 3 states and boasts an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. It is a biodiverse haven that offers you an opportunity to experience the wilderness in its raw form. You can go for a trekking adventure and explore the park's dense rainforests, where you can spot rare and exotic wildlife species that thrive in the park, including the endangered Malayan tiger and Asian elephant. For those who love heights, you can take a canopy walk that will take you high above the jungle canopy, offering you a stunning view of the park's lush vegetation. If you prefer a more laid-back experience, you can take a river cruise and marvel at the park's scenic beauty and the wildlife that congregates near the river banks. You will encounter different species of birds, primates, and reptiles that call the park's river system home. 7. Gunung Mulu National Park. Gunung Mulu National Park is a truly unique and remarkable destination that has been recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. This beautiful park is famous for its magnificent limestone karst formations and intricate cave systems, which have been formed over millions of years. Visitors to the park can embark on an unforgettable underground adventure to witness the beauty of these natural wonders up close. There are awe-inspiring stalactites and stalagmites, as well as vast chambers that will leave you in awe of nature's beauty. One of the most impressive features of the park is the Deer Cave, which is home to the world's largest cave chamber. This chamber is so big that it can accommodate up to 40 Boeing 747 airplanes. Every evening, millions of bats emerge from the cave, creating a mesmerizing spectacle against the backdrop of the sunset. Don't miss the opportunity to witness this incredible natural wonder in person. 8. Cameron Highlands. Escape to the cool highlands of Cameron, known for its lush tea plantations and breathtaking landscapes. Take guided tours of tea factories to learn about the process of tea making and the history of the area. You can also stroll through fragrant strawberry farms, where you can pick your own strawberries and enjoy the fresh air. If you want to experience something truly surreal, explore the mossy forest with its unique flora and fauna. The forest offers a serene atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful hike. And when you're done with your adventures, take a break in one of the many charming cafes and enjoy a cup of locally grown tea. The pleasant climate, with its cool temperatures, offers a refreshing respite from the tropical heat, making Cameron a perfect retreat for anyone looking to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. 9. Langkawi Island. Langkawi is a breathtaking archipelago of 99 stunning islands that offer a wide range of diverse attractions. With its serene and pristine beaches, dense rainforests, and majestic cliffs, this tropical paradise is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking relaxation and adventure. One of the most popular attractions in Langkawi is the Langkawi Sky Bridge, which is a spectacular suspended bridge that offers panoramic views of the island. Visitors can take a cable car up to the bridge and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and sea. Visitors can relax on the beach and watch the sun go down over the horizon, creating a magical atmosphere that is sure to leave a lasting impression. With so much to see and do, Langkawi is truly a destination that should not be missed. 10. Genting Highlands. The city of Genting Highlands is a mountain resort that offers visitors a pleasant escape from the heat of the lowlands, as well as a wide array of chances to engage in various forms of entertainment and to shop for goods. The huge resort complex houses a number of different types of entertainment, including casinos, amusement parks, and other indoor and outdoor activities. Take a ride on the Genting Skyway cable car to get at this high-altitude leisure area in opulent fashion while taking in the stunning scenery along the way. Did you enjoy this trip? I hope that today's trip gave you new experiences, precious memories, and infinite happiness. Malaysia's diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture make it a captivating destination for all kinds of travelers. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the serene beaches of Langkawi, each place we explored is a testament to Malaysia's unique charm. As you continue to explore the world, remember that the possibilities are truly limitless. Subscribe to Vacation Limitless today to hear about more amazing trips and life-changing adventures.